Mechanic shops often provide more competitive pricing for repairs compared to dealerships. This is largely due to lower overhead costs and the ability to source parts from a variety of suppliers, which can result in significant savings for the customer. Many car owners find that these shops offer a cost-effective solution, especially for routine maintenance and minor repairs, without compromising on quality. Dealerships, on the other hand, have specialized knowledge and access to original manufacturer parts for your specific car model. This can be particularly beneficial for newer cars or those with complex systems that require precise handling. The technicians at dealerships are often trained by the manufacturers themselves, ensuring that they are up to date with the latest technology and repair techniques. Independent mechanics may provide more personalized service and flexibility in scheduling. Unlike the often rigid appointment systems at dealerships, local mechanics can offer a more tailored approach, accommodating urgent repairs or specific customer needs. This personal touch can make a significant difference in customer satisfaction, as the mechanic often builds a rapport with the client, understanding their vehicle's history and specific requirements. Dealerships typically offer warranties on their repairs, which can provide peace of mind. Knowing that the work is backed by a guarantee can be reassuring, especially for major repairs or when dealing with high-end vehicles. This warranty can sometimes justify the higher costs associated with dealership services, as it ensures that any issues arising post-repair are addressed without additional charges. Local mechanic shops may be more convenient and have shorter wait times for appointments. Their proximity to residential areas and the ability to handle walk-ins or last-minute bookings can be a significant advantage for busy car owners. Additionally, the quicker turnaround times often mean that customers can get back on the road sooner, minimizing disruption to their daily routines. Choosing between a mechanic shop and a dealership depends on factors like car age, repair complexity, and personal preferences. For older vehicles or simpler repairs, a mechanic shop might be the best choice due to cost and convenience. However, for newer cars or complex issues, the expertise and warranty offered by a dealership could be more appropriate, ensuring peace of mind and quality service.